Hello everyone. So today my topic is electronic communication system. Electronic communication is the process of transmitting information using electronic system and device or transferring information from one place to another. Thus, electronic communication can be summarized as a transmission, reception, and processing of information between two or more locations using electronic circuit. It plays a crucial role in modern society, enabling an exchange of data, voice, and video across vast distance almost instantaneously. This communication can be either analog or digital and encompass a wide array of technology such as telephony, radio, television, and the internet. All information, however, must be converted to electromagnetic energy before being propagated through an electronic communication. So here are the key components of electronic communication system. There's a transmitter, uh, it has a modulator used to combine the information signal with a carrier signal. Power amplifier the modulated signal for transmission. Antenna radiate the signal as electromagnetic wave in wireless system or send it through a medium in wire system. So point number two is channel, the medium through which the signal travel. This could be free space, wireless, coaxial cable, or fiber optic. Noise, unwanted disturbance that can be corrupt the signal during transmission. So point number three, receiver. Antenna capture the transmission signal in wireless system. And for the modulator, extract the original information signal from modulate carrier. And for amplifier, the receive signal for future process or output. So there are two types of electronic communication. There is analog communication and digital communication. Analog communication involves the transmission of continuous signal that vary smoothly over time. Examples include traditional AM and FM radio, analog TV, and landline telephone. It also amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. So amplitude modulation, whereas the amplitude of the carrier signal based on information signal used in AM radio broadcasting. Frequency modulation vary the frequency of carrier signal based on information signal used in FM radio broadcasting and TV radio transmission. For phase modulation, varies the phase of carrier signal based on the information signal. Less common in analog communication, more used in digital modulation scheme. So come to the digital communication. Digital communication involving the transmission of information using discrete signal, typically represent as a binary data 0 and 1. This form of communication offer high noise immunity, better signal processing capability, and efficient data transmission. So In digital, we need to know the pulse code modulation. Pulse code modulation, or for PCM, convert analog signal into digital form by sampling and quantizing the signal. Use it in digital telephony and radio recording. For amplitude shift keying, it represent digital data as variation in amplitude of carrier signal using in simple OF communication system. For the frequency shift keying, represent digital data variation in frequency of the carrier signal used in modem and low frequency communication system. And phase shift keying represent digital data variation in phase of carrier signal used in Wi-Fi, satellite communication, and RFID system. And quadrature amplitude modulation combine the amplitude and phase modulation into represent digital data used in cable modem, digital TV, and broadcast band communication. So here all the key digital key component of digital communication. So now we going to the element electronic communication system diagram. So there is also have three items. One is a transmission side. Input signal, the original information, for example, audio, video, or data. Modulator, combine the input signal with carrier wave, for example, through AM, FM, and PSK. And transmitter, amplify and send modulator signal through an antenna or wire medium. Point number 3, transmission medium, or we call channel. The environment through which the signal travel, example, air, cable, fiber optic, can introduce noise and attenuation. Point number 3, receiver side. Receiver antenna capture the transmitted signal in wireless system. The modulator separate the original information from the carrier wave, and for the output signal, the demodulate the information, for example, sound from speaker, video, on screen. From the diagram, for an electronic communication system which include a transmitter and a transmission medium and receiver. A transmitter is a collection of one or more electronic device or circuit that convert the original source information to signal that is more suitable for transmission over given transmission medium. The transmission medium provide a mean of transporting signal from transmitter to a receiver, and can be as simple as a pair of copper wire that is propagate signal in form of electric current flow. Information also be converted to electromagnetic light wave and propagate over optical cable construct from glass or plastic. And free space can be used for transmission of electromagnetic radio wave over great distance or over terrain where it is difficult or expensive to install a physical cable. A receiver is a collection of electronic device and circuit that accept the transmitted signal from a transmission medium and convert it back to their original form. So here is all the electronic communication system. There is a main the component. There is a transmitter side, transmission medium, and receiver. So come to the advantage and disadvantage. So for advantage, high fidelity transmission. High fidelity transmission. Digital communication allow for high fidelity transmission with minimal noise and distortion. Efficient use of bandwidth. Digital modulation scheme can be transmit more data within the same bandwidth compared to analog system. Enhanced security. Digital system can incorporate encryption and error correction technique, enhancing security and reliability. Integration with digital system. Digital communication seamlessly integrate with digital computing and network system. So we go to disadvantage. The disadvantage is one is complexity. Digital communication system can be more complex and require advanced technology and processing power. And another one is latency. Digital processing and introduce latency, which might be issue in the real-time application. And the last one is compatibility. Analog systems are often simpler and maybe more compatible with the older technology. So here are the three disadvantages and for advantage. Now we continue with the application of electronic communication. So there's here is 5 items. One is telecommunication. Landline and mobile telephony over IP and video conference. For broadcasting, radio and television broadcasting, both analog and digital. And for networking, internet, LAN, WAN, and wireless network. And for satellite communication, have the satellite TV, GPS, and satellite-based internet service. The last one is data transmission. It can be email, instant messaging, and file transfer. So come to the conclusion. Electronic communication encompasses a wide range of technology and systems that enable the transmission of information over distance. Both analog and digital communication have their unique advantage and application, with digital communication becoming increasingly dominant due to its superior performance and integration with modern computing technology. Understanding the principal component and type of electronic communication is essential for designing and optimizing communication system in various fields. Okay, that's all for electronic communication system. Thank you.